Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video today now about Korra, that beautiful pregnant woman, that Igbo girl will be live video presenter and the live video dancer, a celebrity, a beautiful pregnancy like where you go see belle go dey hungry you to carry. I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you. Congratulations, my darling. Congratulations. This baby really stressed out. This baby is supposed to come out February 2nd. And the thing really overdue. This belly really use her not be small. But I am so happy for you. Congratulations, my darling. Congratulations. Congratulations. I see the live video where your husband do today. Your husband say she's very, very tired. I was like, oh, I know, because the stress of yesterday not be small one. She wanted to put it on live, make everybody see how she go take bomb, but you know, comfy later they can remove the camera. I am so happy for you. Congratulations. Mona join me, congratulate her. If you be lovers of goat na beg, may you congratulate her for me. Because it's not easy. Child bearing not easy. Oh, the self say you never born. It's not easy at all, you know. That is why they surprised when they see the one where they use a belly, they do saga or that, or they just the surprise. Say, say where you go, they pray, may you born pikin, and that's not the time where you wanted to do saga, you know. So this Korra, if you see her, when she did do live video with her pregnancy, Belle go dey hungry you. The day when Sarah they talk and that they say if they see this girl Belle, he go dey hungry and make it carry Belle. You know, I am so happy for you, my darling. I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you. Congratulations. I just want to do this short video to congratulate her. Mona join me, congratulate her, I beg, because it's not easy, my darling people. I beg. Mona, congratulate her. If you be lovers of good thing, congratulate her, please. This one a baby. If you feel keep enmity for anything, but pikin, no, not keep enmity for pregnancy. I beg, my people. Mona join me. Congratulate her. Congratulations. I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you. Congratulations, my darling. God will bless that child. When I see the baby, I was so happy. I was so happy. I was so happy. Congratulations, my darling. I put the video. Bye.
We maybe where even now again na yekere o man like ive or igboy azen also no riva ene o salobo ave. God will fight. God will fight for you. What happened in the secret, you don't see it, but God sees it. But he anagele ave quite done that way. O salobo even over your position here. O salobo even no ya pobet we ka obey o salobo no we no riogone ya riogone riva ene do gwewe ogbeso eve gwewe ama we no yara ama we no ya boro iya me ege gwewe but obi ya gwewe e ke no ri ave so give 100 naira gwe 50 naira ave ri ni ya eve so ne nevera neveze iya akpa wetin ya vera neze ni ya ba wetin ya vera me big we no me. Who treats always say why? Why? You don't need heaven and earth to celebrate them. You don't need everything in the world to celebrate them. I think about 2 weeks ago, I saw some children. The way they were treating their mom. One man said, no, wanna go through to just make sure you are okay. This woman is doing everything to make sure you are okay, yet you're not respecting or obeying her. Why? You are still a child, you don't understand anything now. This woman is trying all her best to make sure you become somebody in life. Stubbornness will just make people turn into something else. I don't even understand. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you. Oh, waje o ure Nigeria o. Ewe boze o ken ure de aje. Onare dobo ane mini jwe we ya boy. Era na we anything ya boy. In doing all those things, apply wisdom. The miss we are here. Unwe do ike. Egiado me wo wu ne ona do zere we agbemelu awono na apento wa awe di other one. Riva ne oragbon. Even in Guancan. I may not be able to mention names, but I know what I'm talking about. Watch out for Iyesogi in March. That's all I can say right now. But I beg you, I beg you, I beg you in the name of God, forgive that woman. Forgive them. Respect them. Honor them. Give them food if you have. Support them. Provide for them. If you have, please. You are not only doing them good, you are doing yourself good. Because there is a blessing that is attached to giving to parents, to giving to your mother. If you don't know it, if you're a believer, you're a Christian, open your Bible. Read Ephesians 6:1 and 2. You will see it there. I want to say thank you, everyone. I want to say thanks to every one of you. I don't want to be too emotional about this. I don't just want to, because I'm getting more emotional about it. Because of some things I saw recently. I'm getting more emotional about it. I that is talking to you, I don't play with my parents. People that know me know I don't play with my family. I don't joke with them. I don't joke with my mother. If you know me here, you know me to my house. You should know that. I don't joke with them. I didn't just come here to be saying what I don't do. I don't joke with them. Please don't joke with yours. Or that for my birthday, I mean, or yoga normal. Don't where you say. Die. Don't where you say. Or that for my body, I mean, or yoga normal. When oye ne jouer ne ra vagbon, your body you say. To even be there, no, not ya Baba hello. It's enough. It's enough. I see people when they are remembering their parents, maybe remembrance, like maybe all those their remembrance anniversary and all that. Sometimes they write emotional caption. I don't even pray for such things. So it's something that, if I can even say this, something I don't even want to experience. Losing a mother is not some. It's not some. I have my both parents, and glory be to God. People who don't have